Getting disconnected or dealing with an outage can really damage users or businesses' ability to function. Most Americans use a cable internet provider to receive their internet connection, but that can come with a few issues. Cable internet networks tend to have more frequent outages and are highly susceptible to terrestrial dangers, such as storms or weather-based outages. A lot of Americans or businesses have found that their cable internet is frequently failing, leaving them helpless. And this is especially true with rural businesses or remote residents. These huge cable internet providers often take their time to get their networks back up and running, especially in more rural or suburban areas. This can be devastating to users or businesses who rely on a steady internet connection. Thankfully, there is a solution courtesy of HughesNet that keeps businesses connected no matter what. HughesNet Gen5 gives all Americans access to fast, secure, and stable broadband internet. See why we stand apart from other internet providers. From built-in Wi-Fi and fast speeds, to our extensive cutting-edge satellite network reaching even the most remote users, keeping you online and connected wherever you are. Thanks to HughesNet's Gen5 satellite technology, their service is available nationwide and isn't susceptible to storms and outages due to weather. Click the link below to see more information about HughesNet Internet Service. And don't forget to mention promo code GET75, GET75, for your free $75 gift card with your HughesNet order, courtesy of Satellite for Internet. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel, as well as letting us know what you think in the comments below.